Hello everyone, I hope you all doing great. I am Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. As the festivals are around the corner, I'll be taking you through a very quick, easy and healthy sweet recipe. So let's get started. For this recipe you need 1 cup almond, 1 cup walnut, half cup sunflower seeds, half cup pumpkin seeds, 3 cups foxtail, that is makhane, 1.5 cup of sesame seeds, that is til. I will be dry roasting walnuts, almonds, foxtail, sesame and pumpkin seeds together and sesame seeds separately because their roasting time is less and they can burn easily. Dry roast all your dry fruits on low flame. Dry fruits will turn golden brown once they are nicely roasted. Now I will grind all the dry fruits except sesame seeds in mixer grinder. I have added dry fruits of our choice. You can add according to your taste. For the ratio which I have taken, I will add 3 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and then I will mix dry fruit powder in it for 1 to 2 minutes. Always remember to keep your flame low. Now I will add half cup of date syrup and I will keep mixing it. At this point I will add desiccated coconut and sesame seeds too. Switch off your flame after mixing it. Now the mixture is ready. Let it cool for 15-20 minutes. Now you can make shape of laddu and decorate it with any dry fruit or leave it as it is. If you like soft laddus, you can eat them as it is. And if you like little stiff laddus, you can keep them in refrigerator for half hour or 1 hour. You can store them in fridge for 2 weeks. They are extremely tasty, easy to make and healthy too. I hope you like the recipe and will give it a try. Do consider subscribing if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.